decision I make is more than just about numbers. It's about creating a future I believe in. I choose places that keep me connected. Sa work, sa pamilya, sa mga mahalaga at malapit sa puso ko. More than the figures, I can already see it's worth growing through the families who will build their dreams here. Invest where it feels right. With PhilInvest Land, I feel secure. Alam kong tamang pinili ko.